So we're working very hard to get the second half out. If you're not on our Discord, we announced the thumbnails on there, so we're gonna show it here. Look at these! Wow! Oh, thumbnails! Oh, they're really nice. I really like this one. This one's probably the best. It's pretty swell. Soon, expect a top subreddit post. Another one of those. We've only made one of those, and it was over a year ago now. So expect another of those soon. We made a Deep Sheep fan Reddit for any fan groups that want to make content like us. So if you want to use that, go check that out. Post some weak cult memes, I guess. And then lastly, I started up a Deep Sheep fan server. So if you want to play that, like play mini games like these, you should be seeing on screen. Then the IP is right here. Check that out. It'll be and I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'll do a quick update video. Shut up.